What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video guys I'm gonna explain to you how to create a jump to platform. Last video we talked about how to create the player. You can go check it out, be right up there. And now we're gonna show you how to create a platform that the player can jump to. Alright, so here we're putting one block or one platform on the screen right here. Let's just start over first and give you guys an example of what to do. First, we have a sprite. You're gonna use tile though, because tile is like stretch out. This tile sprite stretch out, like keep and repeat itself. So we're gonna go. I already have the image, so I don't have to draw it up or anything. You guys can see which I made is so a little slower than the last video. I'm trying to make it more easy to understand. So all you gotta do is just look for the right one that look repeated over. So like it can easily be repeated over I guess. So let's see if we can find the right one here in this group. And before we go any further, please like, share, and subscribe. So here we got this one. So we're going with this one and put this one up here, and this is going to be the platform that we will be setting for the player to jump to. And this video is very simple guys, so let's just play this right now. Now you can see a platform right there, and we are going to show you that a player cannot jump on the platform. It don't has in any form of coding to say that it's solid, I guess. So we're gonna do that now. So we're gonna go into behaviors over here and just add behaviors and say platform. But now you're gonna go down here in types of platform or types and just choose jump through platform, and then that's simply it guys. That's just it. Now let's show you an example. Please subscribe, like, and share to as well again. And let's show you guys. Wait, let's get this set up a little better, looking better. Also in the video, now look, bam, as simple as that. So yeah guys, it's just like you to subscribe. What else?
Few months I've been spacey. In your head I sing. I just found my ex bitch, pull up on that next bitch, like what's up, get neck bitch. Please open your life, bitch.